Hello friends, today I am going to present you about 2D effector for moving platform in Unity3D tutorial. So let's begin. So first of all, let's create a object 2D and then sprite. So and then drag and drop the platform. Okay, so we want to change the platform size as a tile. So switch the draw mode and increase the X position. Okay, I mean the width. So once it has been tilted, let's make a camera a little bit zoom. Okay, let's rename call platform. And then change a box collider size according to the platform size. Okay, and then duplicate that one more on right side. Okay, let's make a little bit lower at the bottom. Then create one more 2D object. Okay, so we are going to have 2D sprite. Okay, and then this is for water, so it's going to present at the middle of a platform. Okay, that's fine, I believe. Okay, I'll try to rename as water, and then this is going to be a platform. So platform is going to have let's say add rigid body. I don't think we don't need a rigid body. Okay, let's have only a surface 2D. Okay, surface effector I mean. And then we are going to have a character. Without a character we don't have a product time, right? So I just created a character, and then we are going to make rigid body 2D and then box collider 2D. Okay, and then let's try to rename, make a object a little bit smaller. Okay, so yeah, this is perfect now. So hit play and check it out what's happening, but it's not landing properly to the. We'll try to change some other collider. I believe we can use circle. Let's try with circle. Okay, and then reduce the radius. Hit play. Yeah, so now it's landing on the platform perfect. Okay, so now we have the player, platform, and then water. So we'll try to move the player now with the help of a effector. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to add surface effector. Okay, surface effector need to enable the use by effector on the box collider. Okay, and then hit play. But if you see a rotation is happening, I don't need a rotation for my player. So go to the constraints and freeze z position. Okay, so you can able to see the character is moving with the help of a effector. We'll try to increase the speed and let's check it out. Yeah, it's fine now. We want to have yeah, collider also for water. Yeah, it's colliding and it's staying, but it's we need some effect time, right? So in order to make a effect while user jumping in water, we are going to make some safety effect with the help of this buoyancy effector 2D. Okay, so you want to enable in a box collider used by effector, and also you want to enable a trigger. Okay, so let's see how the system will work. It's working fine, but you want to make some tweaking. So let's add a rigid body. I don't think rigid body is a good idea, because let's try to change gravity and check it out. No, the reason is we having two colliders at the both side, so we don't need rigid body. We'll try to change the density, that is the issue. Okay, yeah, you can able to see that white line. So let's try to increase the density, the amount of density can able to go inside. So I made a density, he can go for inside the water. Okay, so there is more system like linear drag and then a surface level. So depending upon your requirement, you can able to tweak, and you can able to see the variation in user jumping the water. You can see 3 jumps is happening. So we'll try to change the player layer so that it will be a perfect visual. No, still it's issue. Why? Let's check it out. Water. Oh, so we'll try to change a thing back to the water. Layer need to be back to the water so that it will be perfect. Okay, now it's fine. If you need shaking of water, you want to do some animation in either flash or something, but right now we made a player to react when he falls on the water instead of jumping to the other side of a platform. So that's it. If you think this video is very helpful, please subscribe and hit notification bell icon. Thank you.